In this video, we're going to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. Now, in previous videos, I talked about what a mixed number is, what an improper fraction is, so I'm going to pin those videos so you can go back, watch those, and then come back to this video. So in our first example, we have 1 and 1/2. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is identify my denominator. In this case, my denominator is 2. I'm going to take my denominator and multiply it times that whole number that's out there. So in this case, it's 1. So I'm going to say 2 times 1. Then I'm going to add whatever my numerator is. So I know that my numerator in this case is 1. So I'm going to add that. So I'm going to do everything at one time, which is 2 times 1 plus 1. And that gives me 3. I'm going to keep my denominator the same. Now, again, we're going to go back and look at this one more time. I took my denominator, multiplied it times that whole number that's out there, which is 1. And then I added my numerator, which is also 1. So 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. And that's how I got 3 over 2, or 3/2. Let's look at example 2. Here we have 3 and 2/7. Again, we're going to take our denominator and multiply it times our whole number. Well, our denominator is 7 and our whole number is 3. And then I'm going to add whatever my numerator is, which is 2. So I have 7 times 3, which is 21. 21 plus 2 gives me 23. So my answer is 23 over 7. Once again, I took my denominator, multiplied it times my whole number, and then added my numerator. You're going to do that every single time. Now, our denominator is going to stay the same. You see that 7? I just brought it right on over, and that's going to be the pattern every single time. Let's look at example 3. This time, the numbers are pretty big, but it's nothing that we can't handle. So we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to multiply 17 times 4, and then we're going to add our numerator of 8. Now, I need to come over to the side because 17 times 4 is something that I don't quite know, so I'm going to come over to the side and multiply that. Well, I do know that 7 times 4 is 28, and then 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2 is 6. So that's 68, and then I'm going to add 8. So I'm going to add 8 to 68, and that gives me 8 plus 8 is 16. 6 plus 1 is 7. So I know my numerator is 76, and I'm going to keep my denominator the same, which is 17. So 4 and 8/17 convert to 76 over 17. Now let's look at this one, and this time I want you to try it. All right, this time you have 8 and 13 over 22. So I want you to go ahead and try to convert this one to an improper fraction. So I want you to pause the video, work out the problem, and then come back and check your answer with mine as I explain it. So I want you to pause the video right now. Awesome, welcome back. Now let's look at how to convert this mixed number to an improper fraction. First thing I'm going to do is multiply 8 times 22. Well, let me come over to the side. I'm going to multiply that over here. So I got 8 times 2, which is 16, and 8 times 2 is 16, but I got that plus 1 up there, so that's 17. So 22 times 8 is 176. Now I'm going to add my numerator. Well, my numerator is 13, so I'm going to come over here to 176, and I'm going to add 13. Well, 6 plus 3 is 9. 7 plus 1 is 8, and I'm just going to bring down my 1 over here. So that means that this converts to 189 over 22, and that is the improper fraction. Tell me, how did you do on this one? Put that in the comments. And if you have a video idea or suggestion, please put that in the comments as well. Hope you guys have a great day, and until next time.